quick inflation and pressure calibration. How to use the BFR unit as a standard pressure gauge. Set the target pressure. Press the start button to begin the inflation process. Follow the instructions displayed on the screen. When the initial target pressure is reached, repeatedly contract and relax the muscles beneath the cuff to assist in pressure calibration. Remain still as the BFR unit inflates the cuff until it finally reaches the target pressure. Disconnect the BFR unit and repeat this process for the opposite cuff if relevant. Attach the BFR unit and enter the Adjust Pressure mode. Adjust the pressure by pressing plus or minus. Then disconnect the BFR unit and continue exercising. Press the stop button to deflate the cuff. Similar to the pressure calibration process, contract and relax the corresponding muscles to aid in the deflation of the cuff.